guys, welcome to our video. Today we're making pork chops. First you boil some water. To your water, add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 3 tablespoons of salt. When it is dissolved, turn off the stove and let it cool. Make sure you wash the pork chops. When the water is cold, add to your pork chops. Make sure the water covers the pork chops. Make sure you cover with plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. When you take out the pork chops out of the brine, you want to rest the pork chops. To season your flour, you need ground ginger, chili powder, parsley flakes, salt, pepper, minced onion, cayenne pepper. Mix it all together. For your pork chops is the flour mixer. Do the same thing to the other pork chop. Cook your pork chops in hot oil. Cook it for 6 to 10 minutes.